YouTube, just picked up a security light from Costco. I'm about to replace this old sorry security light. This is directly in front of our driveway, so hang tight, I'll show you how to install it. Yeah, we picked this up from Costco. It's currently on sale. Alright, let's get started. Alright, black is hot, white is neutral, and of course bare would be ground. This thing is still hot, got juice in it, and I was gonna work on it really carefully, but out of respect, I'm gonna go ahead and shut it down, kill the power off this thing. Garage, all set. Confirmed, no juice. You're out of here. There it is. Let's unbox this bad boy. We go on time lapse. Alright, good to go. Take a look at this. I was going to make a pigtail, but this is long enough. I'll start with the bracket. Right, mounting the new bracket now. Black to black, white to white, yellow and green goes to the bare aluminum right there. Using the aluminum to copper wire connectors. If you have an older home, it's a good idea when you're doing rewiring in your home. Use one of these. So, fully mounted. The bracket, aluminum to copper connectors for hot, which is black, and white neutral, and just the standard connector right there. Go ahead and get this right there. Make sure this is upright. Should be good to go. Hang tight, let me tighten it up. Excellent. Alright, it's a lot better than before. It's no longer shaking. Perfect. Let's put the light fixture on. Alright, here it is. Take a look. Right there on the very top. It holds it in place, that hole right there, and those three connectors. So let's go ahead and mount it. Let's line it up. So I pressed this down a little bit, lifted this up so I could screw this in. Excellent. How about that? Take a look. All set. Thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate it. Don't forget to click subscribe, click that notification bell. I'll chat with you guys later. Of course, I'll take a nighttime shot and see how it looks at night. Thanks again. Chat with you guys later. Hang tight for that nighttime shot. Garage. It's the only one off anyway. Excellent. Awesome. Don't forget to put the rubber on. Lift it up, right there. Excellent. Beautiful. Whoa. That thing is bright. Gotta find a way to adjust it. Thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate it. Don't forget to click subscribe, click that notification bell. Chat with you guys later. Bye for now.